Today in our leadership lecture series, Mr. Alok Chopra expressed a very simple yet deep message. He expressed the difference between organization and unorganization and the importance of discipline. He gave a very basic example of the dragging of chairs being noise.
Sound. Somebody is pulling chairs, somebody is screaming there, somebody is running around here. It's noise, it's disturbing. The same sound, when it is disciplined, what does it become? Music. It's very pleasant.
We learned about competition, about how there's no point competing with others. So if we ourselves are not competing with one another, we can learn a lot of important lessons in life, such as he gave us a lot of examples like Michael Jackson, who could not really succeed that much in life because he was very unhappy with himself. He had a very bad mental state.
Did you know that mental states? You go and study them. But they are all your heroes. You would like to emulate them. You would like to follow them, which is okay. But that by itself doesn't ensure that they were happy people. They may be successful worldly wise, but they were not happy people. For happiness, you need self-governance.
So in that way, if we are satisfied with what we have, we will lead a very successful life. And that's one very important lesson that I learned today.
One lesson that I learned was that we should never compare ourselves with others. Because comparing ourselves with others just leads to disappointment.
Even if you become half of Roger Federer, I think you will be very happy. But that's what you think. If Roger Federer is not happy, then why will you be happy? But yes, you can be happy. If you stop competing like this, just do your thing because you enjoy it.
The only thing he taught us is we should be happy in life. We should learn something in life so that we are happy and we are kind of blessed to what we are living and not run behind others and run behind materialistic things.
And in today's leadership lecture series, the main thing that I learned is discipline.
A person who is successful and who is not successful, not only in a particular field, but in life in general, if you want to be successful, you must discipline yourself.
If you want to succeed in life, it is very, very important to have discipline. If you can control yourself, you can control the world.